Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit grille. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a few basic tools, including a screwdriver, some trim removal tools, and of course, your brand new grille. Make sure your Ford Transit is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off. Then, open the hood to gain easy access to the top fasteners of the grille assembly. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now, let's move on to removing the old grille. Begin by carefully unfastening any screws or clips that secure the top section of the grille. There are typically around 4 to 6 fasteners across the top. Next, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry and release the lower clips or tabs that hold the grille in place. Once all fasteners are free, slowly and evenly pull the old grille away from the front of your Ford Transit. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. With the old grille removed, it is time to install your shiny new one. First, carefully align the new grille with the designated mounting points on the vehicle's front. Ensure all tabs and slots line up correctly. Next, apply firm, even pressure to engage the lower clips or tabs securely into their respective slots. You should hear a satisfying click as they lock into place. Finally, reinstall the screws or clips to firmly secure the top section of the new grille, ensuring it is snug and stable. Before you finish, perform a few final checks. Thoroughly double-check all the fasteners, both screws and clips, to confirm that the new grille is securely attached and there is no wobble. Close the vehicle's hood and visually inspect the grille from various angles to ensure it is perfectly aligned and sits flush with the bodywork. As a helpful tip, consider cleaning the area behind the grille before installing the replacement part. This simple process can be completed in about 30 to 45 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.